As we know, lagging can destroy your good mood when you are screen recording.
This one has to be the best. While playing Battlefield 4, Big E1293 managed to land.
Imagine trying to record a high-energy video game. The video skips and jumps or pauses suddenly. So awful. Let me tell you why screen recorders lag first. Lagging typically occurs when your computer's RAM storage is being excessively consumed. If the recorder you are using is with high RAM usage running, then your computer is very easy to have a stuck. Today I will introduce you a lightweight software that will let you get rid of the lag when recording. If you have a low-end PC or old PC, you are coming to the right place. This lightweight software is Joyoshare VidiKit. It is the best one-stop video toolkit, such as video cutter, screen recorder, converter and more. It only takes up little storage, which can help you record your gameplay on low-end PC without any lag. It supports all commonly used video formats. You can share it on your social platform easily. Next, let me show you how to use Joyoshare VidiKit to record your gameplay. After open the Joyoshare VidiKit, you will find screen recorder function easily. Click it. You can customize the screen area where you would like to record. Adjust the system audio and microphone sound value. Click Options button. There are many other options you can set. If you have no any other special requirement, you can click the Rec button, and start to record. It is very easy to use with many powerful function. Hope you will like it. That's all the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.